afternoon, this is Millie. Let's talk about how ridiculous you look. Okay? How can I put it this way? Okay. 2 hours, I get on Facebook, okay? And 2 hours ago, I see something like this. Johnny Be Good, he's so sweet, he's so fine. And then Johnny Be Good done made a girl mad, and now she's on Facebook saying, oh, he ain't nothing but a lying, no good, or nothing scum that he cheated up on me, and he can go you know where, and all this stuff. And I'm like, 2 hours ago you was talking about how fine he was, how you loved him, and now you cussing him and talking about him and slamming him on Facebook. And then people underneath that is writing you saying, he ain't nothing but no good. And then some of his family writing, girl, you don't even be talking about Johnny like that. And then his friends, and y'all got a whole 450 comments on how Johnny Be Good is this, just awful person. Okay? And then you done deleted all your pictures of Johnny Be Good. You done, blocked him off of Facebook. You know, if you put together, you put single. You done, or it's complicated or something like that. Okay, 3 days go by and Johnny Be Good's back on the Facebook. Well, look at her. There's Johnny Be Good in a picture. Johnny Be Good and so in a relationship. Oh, I love Johnny Be Good. He's so fine. You look ridiculous. How you gonna put your business on Facebook, talk about him, got whole drama going on, and do all